The Ohaneze Igbo don dey draw ear, dey give warning to southeast elites, that is those ogbonge men, those men wey get connection from the southeast. Say make dem no put body for dis protest wey wan happen for inside we country Nigeria. Say make dem no endanger the lives of Igbo people. Meanwhile, the Osun State governor don order all the schools wey dey for inside Osun State say make dem sharparly go on vacation. Sake of dis protest wey wan sup for inside we country Nigeria, the governor no want make one thing lead to one thing, tears and sorrow go come enter in government. Those kind levels normally e no dey make sense at all at all. So without wasting much of your time, my good people, make I give you the full details of this information. The koko be say the Ohaneze Igbo wey be the foremost Igbo social cultural organization, they don dey give warning to the elites of southeast. Make dem comot body, make dem no try am at all. Say they wan support this nationwide protest, this hunger protest wey country people wan do for inside we country Nigeria. The organization now dey yarn say if dem support the demonstration, it is very much risky. Say they fit endanger the lives of Igbo people and investment across the country. Now for inside one statement wey the organization carry give Tori people, so that Tori people go carry am give the general public, the person wey bring this statement na the secretary general of the organization, name na Mazi Okechukwu Isiguzoro. The Ohaneze Igbo dem talk plenty about the implications, about the things and things wey go count as consequence if the southeast elite dem pull body join this nationwide protest wey wan happen for inside we country Nigeria. The group come dey yarn say why country people now dem get right to protest normal. This kind action dem fit turn am to another thing. E fit compromise the safety and security of the Igbo community. That is to say, Jaguda people fit hijack the protest, this their peaceful protest now. Jaguda people fit turn am to means to take cause kasala for inside we country Nigeria, for inside the southeast region too, especially now wey be say dem get problem already, dem get security challenges. So that's now why this protest now e dey too risky for Igbo, because the thing get the potential, e get the capability to bring katakata, to disturb the safety and investments of their people even across the country Nigeria. And still on the statement, my good people, Ohaneze Igbo they understand the fact say e get how things be for inside the country Nigeria. They understand why country people dey protest normally, but wetin they cry for be say this protest omo e get as e be. They yarn say criminal elements, Jaguda people, those men with their mind no good, they fit use am take destabilize the southeast region. They fit use am take cause more harm than good. And you know say the southeast region now they face security challenges. E get as e thing be for the region. So if country people wan do protest, make dem do their protest, but make Igbo people comot hand. Make Igbo people comot hand, because the thing fit backfire. The Ohaneze Igbo constantly dey yarn say they are very much committed, their mind dey plenty to protect the welfare of Igbo, and they go take all necessary measures to safeguard their community. All this information, my good people, dey for inside the statement wey the secretary general of the organization wey be Mazi Okechukwu send give Tori people. Now sake of say Anointed Lady TV na confirm Tori person, we don pass the legit intel give the general public. But no be lie o, my good people, you see this protest so e don dey come under pressure. Different groups, different organizations don dey comot hand for the protest. So last who and who wey wan do this protest for inside we country Nigeria? As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, some RI youth coalitions, they don cancel their involvement for the nationwide protest wey wan sup for inside we country Nigeria. They say instead of them to go dey do protest, they wan hold prayer session across the 19 northern states for inside we country Nigeria. No be small matter. And you see this development, so this decision e dey come after the intervention of Honorable Abubakar Bichi, wey be one House of Representative member and chairman of the House Committee on Appropriations. Now the RI youth dey yarn say instead of them to enter streets dey shout we no go gree o, we no go gree, they rather dey for their house dey pray give their God. Dem believe say protest dey last lead to violence and destruction, and violence and destruction wey be 5 and 6 e fit hinder the progress of the north. Now they come dey call on all Arewa youths to join them for inside mosque and churches, make dem for pray for their leaders and our nation Nigeria. And they believe say prayer na the best approach wey go lead to the best solution and regional peace. Now my good people, if you ask me about this matter, I go tell you say something fishy is going on here, because the way communities, the way organizations, the way different groups dey comot body for this protest, e get as e be. It is not ordinary. Is it that they don dey bow to pressure? Is it that the government don threaten them with one or two, or which kind of level? Now some organizations don comot body say e too dey risky for their region. Some dey comot body say dem prefer prayer, and many still dey comot body for their own separate reasons wey we no know about. But anyhow the thing be for body, my good people, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. So moving on to the next information wey I wan share give the general public. The tori be say the Osun government don direct both private and public schools wey dey for inside the state say sharparly make dem go on their third term vacation, and the deadline na on Wednesday wey be the 31st day of this month, July, for inside this year 2024, sake of the protest wey wan happen for inside the 1st day of August to the 10th day of August for inside this year 2024. And you see this directive, my good people, you see this command, I mean this order, e dey for inside one statement wey dem arrange for inside Osogbo, and the person wey arrange am na the permanent secretary from the Ministry of Education. Im name na Moritala Jimoh. And for inside that statement, im come dey yarn say this na to inform the general public, particularly parents, guardians and head of both public and private schools wey dey for inside Osun State, say based on this planned nationwide protest wey wan sup for inside we country Nigeria, say all schools are hereby directed to proceed on their third term vacation from Wednesday wey be the 31st day of July for inside this year 2024. And last when the schools don go on vacation, parents and guardians they are advised to ensure the safety of the students. Now all this one, my good people, dey for inside the statement wey the permanent secretary from the Ministry of Education wey be Moritala Jimoh drop, and no be lie at all. This protest now no be something be say they go come allow children to dey waka anyhow or to dey do anyhow they like. No, make parents and guardians mount their guard, make dem dey very much careful, because anything can happen at any time. Normally na peaceful protest na dem plan to do, but jaguda people no dey hear that one. They fit use this protest now take cause more kasala for inside we country Nigeria. Then last they go come put the blame on country people wey genuinely come outside to come do protest, to come talk about the things and things wey dey pain them for inside we country Nigeria. So this na the information wey I say make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. This na Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like bring legitimate intel on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. So if you go like to dey receive news like that, sharparly make you subscribe to the channel and remember to put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey bring another interesting information for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.